Courtney, as I look at your blog, can we truly legislate morality? I love that question, and I'm very interested in seeing how you answer that question. Um, I also like the fact that you already had some information about Thomas Paine, knew some things about him, and then began by just jumping from Paine into your topic, which is the legalization of marijuana. We say, I believe that Paine was one of the first very liberal-minded thinkers. I also believe that his belief system connects to the belief systems of many people today. That gives us our connection, so that's very good. Now, we do run into some problems. As I'm reading this, the ideas are good, but there are several grammatical errors. As I'm looking at this, I see that there are places where you really needed to do some better editing. For example, looking at this sentence, this issue brings about the age-old question that is really the separating factor of political parties today. Can morality be legislated? Separating here is misspelled. Going on down, separation is correct here. So be careful because you need to, or no, I'm sorry, separation is not correct there either. Separation is separation. So do be careful that you spell check or check carefully for any kind of spelling errors. Continuing on with your discussion, I like the fact that you look at both sides, both the pros and the cons. I do wish you had just a little more information or a little more statistical impact here. Therefore, from this point of view, comma, it would be unjust to legalize marijuana. Here, legalization is misspelled. With this video, it's not clickable, so I can't look at it while I'm grading here. I'm sure that it does have impact, and I will watch it when I'm outside of the grading. So you have a few little errors, particularly spelling, which is shocking to me. I think that spell check is one of the easiest things you can do when you're writing something. So I think perhaps you need to slow down just a little bit when you're doing your work. But I do like the direction that you went. I think you did a good job incorporating some current issue into the notions of Thomas Paine, and you obviously have cited your sources for your ideas. Just be careful about editing. I'll give a 90 out of 100 to this particular blog because of those editing issues.